So if you're just looking into the topic of dropshipping, selling your own products online, making your money online, eventually leaving your job and replacing your income, it can be really confusing, right? Especially if we look into dropshipping. There's so many kinds of different dropshipping stores, right? There are one product stores, there are dropshipping funnels, there are general dropshipping stores and all of that kind of stuff. So today I want to clarify one of those for you, and that is a general dropshipping store. You might have heard about it. What is a general store? I'll get into that in a minute. And I'll also just tell you why it doesn't work. So why you just need to watch this 5-minute video and it will save you all the time, the hours and the weeks and the month that you would have wasted on doing that. So make sure to stick until the end because it's really quick, but it's very valuable. General dropshipping store, what does that mean? That basically means you will find some sort of unicorn winning products, right? Everyone speaks about winning products and it makes you believe that only certain products work. That means you can only sell certain products and make money with it. And that's BS. But we have more videos on that on the channel, so make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when you see those things come out. But that is what everyone talks about. Everyone talks about the winning product, the winning thing. And the concept of the general dropshipping store is that you put a bunch of winning products together that everyone else sells as well. But you put a bunch of winning products together, and then because they're so attractive, whoever you send to the store is then likely to buy one of those. If they don't buy one of them, maybe they buy another one. If you have 20 products on the store, maybe they choose one of them. Maybe there's one thing that they like. But think about that. When you go into this, you don't have to look at it from the perspective of you as a seller. What can make me most money quickly? No, you have to look at it from the perspective of a consumer. Who is the consumer and what do they want to buy? Right? Let me give you a real world example here. A general store is like you put a billboard up on the street and you have general shop 50% off today. And this will attract some people. It will not attract the right people, but it will attract some people. They will get into the store and there's all kinds of stuff. And because you have really cool winning products in there, some of them might choose one or two. Right? They look around and have all this stuff to look at. They look at this and they look at that and look at the third thing. And the problem is it's so confusing. There's so many things to look at. And a lot of times when you give people too much to look at, if you confuse them, they will not buy. A confused mind will not buy. Okay. However, some people do make it work. Some people do sell some of those cool, trending, winning products. But think about it this way. Wouldn't it be much easier to get a person into the store that has a specific thing, that wants to buy that specific thing? Let's say I'm interested in working out, I'm interested in triathlon, and I'm interested in running, okay? So I'm a runner, and if I see a billboard that says something about running, like new running gear, exciting product, something that you need to know to improve your running, or that you need to have to run faster than my friend, I'm like, oh, I'm intrigued, I want to see that. And this is just your Facebook ad, right? I'm saying billboard just to make it a bit more kind of real world example, because eventually you're just selling to people, right? But it is your Facebook ad. You have a Facebook ad up, and if you have a Facebook ad up, that it's not just, here's your discount for crazy cool products. No, you have an ad up that says, here is the discount, or here's, not even discount, here's one cool product that you really need as a runner. And if I am a runner, then I'm gonna go to your store, right? And when I'm in your store, and in your store I see running product, or one product specifically about running that you advertised, what do you think? Am I more likely to buy that, or am I more likely to buy the winning products in a general store, right? Of course I'm more likely to buy the running product, because that's what I'm interested in. I don't care about Bluetooth earphones, I don't care about massage guns, I don't care about fidget spinners, I don't care. I might get one anyway. But I'm much more likely, if I'm a runner and I want to outrun my friends and I get an offer for something that will help me to do that, then I'm likely to do that. That is why these general stores don't work. Also, a lot of people do that, and there are just these typical winning trendy products. So if you watch a video on YouTube where it says, sell these products now in whatever month it is, July, and 70,000 people have watched that, like, are these then still the best products to sell? And every one of these people that just put them in the store and like push the people in is like, now choose, now do your thing, give me some money, and hope to make money back on their ads on a product that a lot of people advertise, or on products that a ton of people sell. But if you just go for the one customer, if you think about who is the customer that I want to sell to, runner. What is the best product that I could sell to a runner? Obviously, you need to make sense and you need to make a profit on that, right? But if you just think about it this way, and you have that cool product in there, and you focus on that one thing, and you make it really appealing to that customer, well, then they're gonna buy it. Not everyone, obviously, but it doesn't need to be a winning, crazy, trending product. It just needs to be a product that your customer really likes. If you like more of those videos, if you liked what we talked about, I have a whole web class on how we set up winning stores, how we set up offers, and how we actually get people in the door profitably, sell them, create ads that we don't overspend money on, sell people our products, make them our customers for long term, sell them again and again and again and again, and do this in a really quick and easy way. Just head over in the description. There's a web class for you where you have an hour of my best knowledge that I learned about selling products online, and I'll see you there in a couple of minutes. Have a good one. Cheers.